So I have beef plate ribs. This is a 5.5 pound rack of 3 ribs. Trimmed it, took off the gray skin, added Frank's Red Hot as a binder, and then added Kosher salt, black pepper, and finally at the end, Holy Cow barbecue rub. So this is what it looks like after. Big piece of meat, so it's gonna take a lot of seasoning on it. But yeah, we're gonna let it rest for a couple minutes, set up the barbecue, come back once it's ready in about 30 minutes, and place it on the Traeger for, this is probably gonna take 8 hour smoke. So yeah, see you in a little bit. All right, so we're at the 2.5 hour mark. Ribs are looking pretty dang good. Smoker box is almost out of pellets, so that's good. But yeah, that's looking delicious. All right, just took out the ribs. They are at 175. They're looking very good. You want to see the bone start pulling out, or the meat start going inside, the bone sticking out. Wrap them in butcher paper, give them a spritz of apple cider vinegar, put them back in the barbecue for about another 2 hours or until they reach 203, then let them rest. But they are looking very nice. That's what you want to see. Very beautiful bark. All right, so here's the finished product. Beef ribs came out amazing. They are very soft, so yeah, that's perfect. So we're gonna cut into them. They are very beefy and huge. So yes, that's exactly what you want to see. Beautiful pink smoke ring, and they are very juicy. Well, that's it. Total of about 9 hours with 2 hour rest time. I'm gonna get into these in a little bit, but yeah, those are beef plate ribs.